Okay, this one I'm going to be walking down this way a little bit, down this little park, and I'm also going to be showing a bunch of stuff about boats. So I was able to get on a boat, and I'll show you some of the footage of just going by some of these ships because it's quite beautiful, and that'll be the main focus for this video today. So if you like that one, so stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yep, okay, so we're gonna just kind of give you some context. We're gonna walk down this a little bit, and I'm gonna come back and look at the boats for a minute. That's Barra over there, and Ama Temple. So there's kind of some beautiful tourist stuff. Macau Tower in the background. I think that used to be, so I don't want to say because I don't want to be wrong. Some kind of museum, anyways. A couple museums over there. Barra pontoon. Okay, so you see those ships out there? So we're going to show you some footage of ships today, but I just want to kind of share this little thing right here. So this is a space between the China side and the Macau side. So we're on the Macau side right now, and we're walking south. So that's kind of the Taipa area over that way. And this is there's a harbor in here where some of the boats can I wonder where she's running to. Catch a bus, I guess. I guess there's a bus stop way over there. I wonder why it's so far away like that. Anyways, she's trying to catch it. Okay, so here the boats can come in, and you can see some of the shipping too. I got a lot of really cool footage from this area, so I'm going to show that to you right now, and then I'm just going to narrate it and talk about it. But this is kind of location right here. This is the on land side version, and then the other is going to be the out on the boat one. All right, here you go. Okay, so you probably saw more of the footage, and yeah, look at all the boats from this angle. So we're still, I just walked down further from there, and I don't know if you remember seeing that girl with trying to catch the bus, but that bus stop is right here. So I don't know why it's so far removed. Lots of construction over there, and there's Macau Tower, of course, too. But yeah, that's where we just came in at. So so I hope you like that video. It's kind of interesting, kind of a unique one. I don't really get on a boat that often, so I was able to do all that. So hope you like that one. Time to catch a bus. Chiquinha,